Hello everyone, thank you for coming. Lucas here for another dance tutorial. If you are not subscribing my channel, right now subscribe and let's go start with our dance class today. Come on. First of all, we start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe for you can be very strange step. I don't know, maybe it's your first time, but with the music it's very nice. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little bit flex your knees, okay? And we continue. Different here, legs and arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and forward. Right leg, left arm. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. Now we go step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again to the left. The same thing. Left, right, left, right. Up, down, down. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you see all step? I'm not like with my legs straight like that. I am with my leg little bit, with my knees little bit flex, and it's exactly what you need to do, okay? Again, start from the beginning. So I'm in this position, like you. Right leg, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 5, 6. Right leg forward. Left 1, arm, 2, and 3. Okay. Let's go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down, like in your shoulders line. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, we're going to do 2 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. We like a drag with the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and repeat. Left, left, and open. Again, and right, right, and double. Again, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now what we do here? Left arm, we do circle. Okay, look. Left, okay, and right leg together. Step, close. Step, close. Now, forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. You see I'm here. What I do? Go left, left, forward, again, and right leg, left arm, 2, forward, again, and right, right, forward, and stop. And then we do like one pose here. Boom. Not so good my pose. Do one pose better than mine. Here you can boom, or here you can boom. Let's do this one. Just open your arms, not like this, not with your shoulder like this, here. Okay? So we did double and 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. I don't know, I like this pose, you know? What do you think? From the beginning, this is all step, okay? So very quickly, not so long, because I just want to teach you this choreo here for you practice, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulders, shoulders, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, let's go, make circle with the arm, and 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pose. Yeah, very good. How you feel? All the time, flex a little bit your knees, okay? Like I always say, if you have adults, you learn with the video. Come back to the beginning and do all process. Don't jump the video for do only when we start to do with the music. No, for what? Enjoy your time. Now we will do with the music. I will do one time with you. I want you practice. And after, write me here down on the comments what you think about this class, if you like or if you don't like. No problem. I'm okay, okay? Thank you very much for coming. Subscribe to my channel. And for all of you, thank you very much. And now, let's try with the music. Let's go.
Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí, que muñeca. Me gusta salir y seducir. Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí, que muñeca. Me gusta salir y seducir. Dale chiquitita, dame más. Qué bonita que te quiere controlar. Ella dice que me quiere controlar. Nosotros los vamos a revelar más. Dime, ¿cómo tú te quieres a venir más? Dime, ¿cómo los vamos a conocer más? Dime, no te quiero solo ver, quiero compartirte. Quiero que te vean y te sigan. Soy un bandolero, le gusta o era una coqueta. Dime cómo suena la pobreza. Sé que tú supiste que tú fuiste la coqueta. Tú siempre fuiste la coqueta. Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí, que muñeca. Me gusta salir y seducir.